Hi guys, it's Lindo here. I'm back again. So yeah guys, today I will be doing the breakdown analysis of USDCAD, US dollar versus Canadian dollar, right? So guys, before I can do my analysis, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that I can be able to add more videos. Yeah guys, on USDCAD I'm on a monthly time frame. As always guys, when I do analyze, I start from the higher time frames to the lower time frame so that I can get a clear picture of the market, where the overall direction is heading, right? So the first thing that you will be doing, you will be identifying the current trend. If you can check USDCAD on a monthly time frame is still bullish, because remember the current price is still above the below swing low, which is 1,20635, right? So meaning we're still on an uptrend. And then also on a monthly time frame, if you can check, the market is kinda moving in a form of a sideways, but that sideways movement if you can also check here, USDCAD is kinda moving sideways, right, on a monthly time frame, right? It's kinda moving sideways on a monthly time frame, but that sideways movement is still inside sideways movement is still inside an uptrend, meaning we will always look forward, we will always look for buy opportunities, because we're on an uptrend. Because if you can check here, point 1,20635, it's our below swing low, or it's our below support. And then if you can check here, there was this reversal candlestick pattern, which is called the bullish engulfing bar. If that pattern is formed at a support level, meaning now prices are ready to do what? To do a reversal. But you can't check the engulfing bars on 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time. You need to check all these reversal candlestick pattern on a higher time frame, because remember the direction of the market is very, very clear where on a higher time frame, right? So it's also important of you to consider all those reversal candlestick pattern on the higher time frame rather than on a smaller time frame. But it depends on the type of trader you are. But if you are a swing trader, you need to always use what? To always use the higher time frames, right? If you can check here, we're having this bullish engulfing bar. This bullish engulfing bar was indicating that prices, there are high chances that will reverse at that support level, which is 1,20635, right? So now since I'm done identifying my current trend is on an uptrend. So always when the market is on an uptrend, you always buy where at a support level. And then the second thing that you will be doing after you have identified your current trend, you need to identify all your obvious support or resistance. The previous support and resistance will help you when to take profit. Okay. Now we are identifying all your obvious support and resistance. So now I'm done identifying all my obvious support and resistance where on a monthly time frame. From now I will be switching to a weekly chart. Even if you can check on a weekly chart, was still on an uptrend. Why? Because the current price, which is 1,26890, is still less than the below swing low, which is 1,20635. right? So even on a weekly, you will be still identifying what? You will be still identifying your obvious support and a resistance, where on a weekly chart. That's where we'll be identifying all your obvious support and a resistance. And even on a weekly, was still on an uptrend. Why? Because the current price is still above the below swing low, which is 1,20635. Then if you can check here, since we're on an uptrend, from this point up until here, from this point, which is 1,29541 up until this point here, the market was on a correction phase, right? It was retesting, because remember we're on an uptrend. So meaning from 1,29541 up until here, up until where I place my arrow, the market was on a correction phase, right? It was retesting. And then from here, if you can check here, there is this engulfing bar. Where on a weekly chart. So if this engulfing bar it is formed, it means that now it is the end of what? It is the end of a correction movement. So meaning now we are ready with what? We are ready to see an impulsive movement which will be greater than 1,29541, right? As I've said before, that if the market is on an uptrend, the market will always break the previous swing high, right? So now in this week, the following week, I'm expecting the market to do what? I'm expecting the market to continue with an uptrend, right? Because if you can check, we're having this engulfing bar here. We're having this engulfing bar here. Over here, we're having this engulfing bar. So meaning it's an end of what? Of a correction move. So now we're ready with what? With an impulsive move, right? So now, since I'm done, you need to now move to a daily chart. On a daily chart, we're still on an uptrend. Why? If you can check here, on a daily chart, we're still on an uptrend. Why? One, we have this trend line breakout over here. As I said before, that there are many ways that you can use a trend line. You can use a trend line for making entries and for exit point. You can also use a trend line for spotting what? For spotting the trend reversals, right? Because if you can check here, this point, this one, this point, it was our last lower high. This point, it was our last lower high going down, right? So if you can check, this candle, this arrowed one, is the one that broke above that structure. So as it broke above that structure, meaning now the market is on an uptrend, we need to look forward, we need to look for buy opportunities. And also there was a trend line breakout, right? So that's why I'm saying even on a daily chart was still on an uptrend. Then on a daily you can still add your support and resistance, your obvious support and resistance, right? Even on daily was still on an uptrend, Why? Because also if you can check here, on a daily, this is the previous swing low, which is 1,24286. If you can check, the current price is still above what? The current price is still above our previous swing low. So meaning we're still on an uptrend. We still need to look forward. We still need to look for buy opportunities. Where on a daily chart, we still need to look forward. We still need to look for buy opportunities, right? And then where will be our take profit? Our take profit will be at what? Our take profit will be at 1,34042. Why I'm ignoring 1,29541? Because remember, when the market is on an uptrend, it will always break the previous swing high to form another new high, right? That's the rules of the correction movement and impulsive movement. The correction movement is always less than the impulsive move. So meaning the impulsive move is always greater than the correction movement, right? Okay. Now I will be switching to an H4 time frame. If you can check on H4 time frame, we still have this trend line breakout over here on an H4 time frame, right? We still have this the trend line breakout, right? We still have this trend line breakout where on an H4 time frame, right? So now I'm expecting prices to continue. Again, we're also having this resistance over here, and also this one, right? So now I'm expecting prices to break above 1,27082. So now I'm still expecting prices to go up even on H4, right? Then moving to H1 time frame, even on H1 time frame, we still have this trend line breakout over here. We have this trend line breakout over here. So this is the continuation pattern. So meaning when the market opens, I will be looking for for buy opportunities. I will be looking for what? I will be looking for buy opportunities up until 1,29541. So meaning on USDCAD I'm bullish.